Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Christy Ruel here with your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast for today, April 10th. Well, I hope you got outside to enjoy the beautiful weather we had here in Happy Valley yesterday. We saw beautiful sunshine and temperatures soaring up to the upper 70s, and even some places in the state of Pennsylvania made it into the lower 80s, so it really was a gorgeous day. Unfortunately, today we won't have quite such good weather, but we will still see quite a bit of warmth and a bit of sunshine as well. If we start off with a live look at Mount Nittany, we can see the sun is just starting to rise above the clouds, and so it should be a pretty nice day. A few more clouds in the sky than yesterday. Right now, conditions are sitting at about 68 degrees at just after 7 in the morning, so a really warm morning for central Pennsylvania in the middle of April. Winds south-southwest at 5 miles an hour, but really, with these kind of temperatures, we can't complain. Temperatures, like I said today, are nice and warm. We are well above average. Our high temperature today will sit at around 77 degrees, but our average is back down around 55. So we are well above average for this time of year, approaching that record that we set back in 1922 of 82 degrees, but we probably won't quite get that warm today. Our average low should be back down around 34, but for today we will actually see a low temperature of around 55. So enjoy the warmth, because it will disappear later in the week. Temperatures across the center region, we can see 72 down in Huntingdon, 65 up in Beech Creek, and 63 over in Clearfield. Now taking a wider look at the rest of the state of Pennsylvania, we see 66 in Pittsburgh, 68 in State College, 65 down in Harrisburg, and in the city of Brotherly Love, they are just 62 degrees today. It's a bit colder back up around Bradford and Erie and the lakes, but we have a cold front sitting right around here that is keeping those temperatures a bit cooler, but we'll have more on that as we look at the temperatures across the rest of the nation. That cold front that I mentioned, here it stretches from southern Texas up through the Great Plains and Missouri up into Illinois, across Indiana and Illinois, and then right across the New York, Pennsylvania line, 45 in Buffalo, but 66 down in Roanoke. So we can see this nice area of warm air that we are currently enjoying that is bringing temperatures of 65 around Tampa, 73 over in New Orleans, and then we see this cold front and the much cooler air that's back behind it with just 8 degrees out in Denver. Now, looking at the radar for Pennsylvania, we see a few showers around that cold front up in the northern part of the state, especially in the Bradford and Erie area. But for the rest of the state, we just have a few scattered showers. This precipitation down here probably isn't even reaching the ground. But if we take a look at the rest of the nation, we see the rest of that precipitation that is associated with that cold front with some actually strong to severe thunderstorms out ahead of it, and then back behind it, some mixed precipitation and some snow. In fact, Rapid City, South Dakota saw 20 inches of snow yesterday. So winter is not quite over with in all parts of the country, but this is quite an impressive system we have moving our way later this week. So if we take a look at our eye on the future for our area here in Pennsylvania, we see that for much of today we will have partly clear skies with a few clouds and then some embedded showers as well. And some of those could include a rumble of thunder. And as we move ahead through the day, we see those showers moving through the area, a few stronger storms possible, especially in the southern part of the state this afternoon. This is around 9 o'clock tonight. We see those stronger storms down around the Philadelphia area. But as we move through the day, mostly cloudy skies with a few breaks of sunshine in there as well. Now, if we take a look at today's conditions right here in Happy Valley, we see a typical spring day with periods of sun, periods of rain. Be sure to be prepared for both. You may need the raincoat, you may need the sunglasses, so just be prepared today as you head outside. But with temperatures at 77 degrees, that warm weather that we saw yesterday sticking around again today, it's gonna feel nice outside, that's for sure. And tonight, we won't cool off too much overnight tonight. Temperatures will only get down to about 55 degrees, but we will hold on to that chance for some scattered showers. And now, as we look at our 7-day forecast, we see those storms today, storms again tomorrow, more rain on Friday as that cold front moves into the area. Temperatures start to cool off to around 60. Then Saturday, we really see the effects of that cold front as temperatures drop to around 53. But that still isn't too far off our average. Like I mentioned earlier, our average is still around 55 for this time of year. but then we warm back up as we head into Sunday and the start of next week with temperatures in the lower 60s. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Christy Ruel. Enjoy the warm.